Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh, you're Alex. Guys, today is about to be a special one and I can't wait to share with you guys what I have for you here. You want to take a bold step of hitting the subscribe button down below. I'll wait for you. Let me wait. Subscribed? Thank you. So guys, today I'm going to be sharing with you some tips that will be useful for you when next you're going to the supermarket or you're going to the store. Here are things that will be of help to you as a woman, as a guy. Not only women go to the shopping mall, not only the women go to the store, yeah? So both men and women, this video is applicable to you. Without much ado, let's jump right into the video. So number one on my list is to create a meal timetable. I'm here to tell you again, for those people that have already been seeing my videos and I've been shouting, create a meal planner, create a meal timetable, but still you are not doing it. One thing I'm going to say is, the day you start planning your meals, it is then that you remember what I've been saying. I know you've been hearing this from a lot of videos, a lot of content creators out there. You don't necessarily have to write it on a sheet of paper. You can have it on your notes. We'll have a notes app on our devices, that is our phones, our laptops. Plan your table. You can do it per week if you don't want to stress yourself too much because of seasonal changes, and that brings the room for weekly meal timetable. It doesn't necessarily have to be monthly. You can make it weekly. Okay, so from today, get a meal timetable. Start planning your meals. Start planning today. So here's a short story. There is this particular colleague of mine that anytime we are in the office, she said, Eunice, it seems as if I'm going to take to your advice on meal planning. I was like, okay. I always have her complain about, oh, what am I going to cook today? Should I cook curry sauce? Should I cook spaghetti? Should I eat bread? Should I just buy bread on the road and fry eggs? Should I just do this? Should I just do that? All of the stress will not be if you have a meal timetable. Make it realistic. Don't have 3 meals per day that you will not have the time to cook it because you'll be at work. If you know that you're eating just twice a day, please and please don't put 3-day meal on that Friday, on that Monday. Make it 2 because you're hitting twice. You want to make sure it is as realistic as possible. So now I tell my list is to check for expiry dates. Check the best before you buy any product. It is not until you finish buying the product, you take it home to consume it. You've already drank that soft drink, then you realize that, oh my god, this thing tastes funny. Then you start to check the expiry date. Oh, this thing has expired. But you've already taken the substance into your body. Anytime you go to that grocery store, you go to the market to buy anything, any packaged goods, check for the expiring date before you pay for it. It will save you a lot. It will save you your money. It will save you getting harmful substance into your body. It will save you a lot of things. A lot. Okay, so next time you are shopping, next time you're buying that thing in the market, as you're looking at the price, as you're looking at the nutrients, you want to make sure that you check for the expiry date. After checking for the expiry date of any product, make sure you check for the nutrients. Make sure that the product is free from any allergies. If you're buying for yourself, you already know your allergies, you know what you're allergic to, and you don't want to purchase it. And then when you get home, that is when you realize that, oh my god, this thing that I have bought is not going to be useful for me. Then you discard them. We don't want to be wasting money, not even in this era. Yeah. Which brings me to number 4 on my list, which is do not focus too much on processed foods. Focus more on natural foods like veggies, fruit. Here is an advice from me. If you have a garden, like in your house, don't only be nursing flower in that garden of yours. So if you have a garden at your backyard, there's a little space, go and make use of that garden to start planting vegetables and fruit. And make use of your space wisely, especially if your area, your land is very fertile. When I got to Lagos, like I don't really buy veggies when I was at home. When I got to Lagos, I was just like, what the heck is going on here? Because I was not used to it. I discovered that they started selling any type of vegetables, whether hugu, tete, shoko, any type of vegetable. They started selling like 5 sticks for 300 naira. It all started from 200 naira. So, but this year, since we entered 2025, they started selling 5 sticks. Guys, I'm not capping. Like, how many days am I supposed to eat that? I was just doing my thing in the compound, and to say that it was that day, I just paid attention. Like, my eyes just went there, like, official going. Not like, my eyes has been going to that plant, but I was just like, I think this is just a wasted plant or flower, perchance. So, it was when I moved closer, I was like, oh, wait, though. Oh, this is not a vegetable. I know some vegetables, especially the ones that is planted in my compound. The vegetable, and I saw that, oh my god, this is a vegetable. We have it at home. Is it not this vegetable that used to scratch somebody? You will scratching your hands once you pluck it. It is called Yanoipaja in Yoruba. I don't know if I'm going to write the English name on the screen. Yeah. Oh my god, this is vegetables here, and I've been spending, like, who can imagine, for months I've been spending on vegetables. And I saw this tree. I'm like, this tree, you are in trouble. I don't know why they would sell 5 sticks of vegetables for 300 naira. Another point I have here is to shop in season, especially unprocessed foods like perishable food. You can make it as flexible as possible by, you know, writing the list of the things you need and making sure that they are in season and not out of season. So if you write a particular food item in your timetable, and at the end of the day you realize that it does not look like it's available in the market, it is not available in the market. So what is the point of writing it when you know that it is not going to be available when you get to the market to purchase it? Number one advantage of buying in season is that it's going to be cheaper. You're going to be saving your money, and then you're going to be having much of the produce as well as saving your money, and it's going to be very healthy because there will be little or no preservative in it at all. Which brings it to number 6 on my list, which is don't go for shopping when you are hungry. There will be no energy, no glucose in that body of yours, and you want to go to the market. You're going to be extra exhausted. When you get back home from shopping, you notice that you are always tired. And like for her, they might not be going to the kitchen to prepare anything just because we are always exhausted. Shopping is as stressful as cooking. When you shop, you're going to sort everything you bought one after the other because there's some perishable stuff that you have to sort on time. So you want to make sure as much as possible to not go to the market when you are hungry. Another point is to experience with new foods and ingredients. When you go to the market to shop, I know that you want to shop the things that you already know, but when you get to the market, please, even if it's just 20% of attention, please give it to new things. There's some natural ingredients at the market that you need to see and try out. When you love to try out new recipes, that is where you can get to the market, see new ingredients, and then you want to purchase them and try them out. So you want to experience new recipes to keep healthy eating interesting. You don't want to make it boring, so don't. Spice it up. So another point is to make a shopping list. When you're going to the market, you want to make that shopping list. Don't just go to the market and like be like, oh, you just say, you know what, my brain is a computer brain. I can cram everything on my head. So you might need shopping list, but for me, as far as I'm concerned, I need no shopping list. I can cram everything on my head and do myself. Hey, you don't do that. Once you go to the market without writing shopping list, oh god, you're going to spend everything, all your money, and you're going to be needing more money. Meanwhile, you've not even gotten the important things you want to get in the market. Before you go to the market, make sure to write that shopping list. Okay? Write it. Even not for anything, because I said so. Just write it. When you get to the market, you know the essence of writing the list. No matter what I want to buy, even if I'm going to buy 3 things in the market, I'm going to write a list. I don't even want to stress apart from the fact that I can actually remember some things, especially maybe if it's just you know, upping into the shopping mall to just get some things. You can actually remember them, but just to be on the safer side, because you don't want to be buying things in excess. That device you're holding, basically, there's a note app on it. In case you don't know, perhaps you've not downloaded it, go ahead and download it. That notepad will be useful for you. Just go on your notepad, type the things you need, sharp, within 2 minutes. Sharp, you type it and save it there. And when you get to the store, just click on it, check through, and just get whatever you want to get and get out of the store. Which brings me to the last but not the least point, which is don't be too hard on yourself. I know I just said that. Stick to your list. Stick to the grocery shopping list. You're this kind of person that you always stick to your list, which is good. It shouldn't happen every time, because you need to indulge yourself, okay? If you indulge yourself all the time, that means you're not sticking to any. You don't even have any list. You might write the list, but you know that if you're writing 10 things in that list, be like, let's not be like, I did not write any list, okay? So stick to your list. But if you're this type that you always, oh my god, just like me, you love to stick to your list a lot, that nobody wants to tell you anything. That thing that you wrote that you know that you're going there to buy is what you're going to buy. I bounce. If you're that type, this is me saying that it is okay to indulge yourself once in a while. Please indulge yourself. Don't let anybody come and say too much. So if you're this type of person that you love to stick to your list, this is the time for you to occasionally, and I keep saying occasionally, not all the time. I won't say the percent for you. You are the one to know the percent you're going to set for yourself. So here are things I think you should know when you are going for shopping. Next time you are doing the kitchen business, you want to be doing it right. So guys, that brings me to the end of today's video. If you enjoy it, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to join Kulex community, and I'll really be happy to see you subscribe to the channel, because guys, I might not be seeing your name when you hit that subscribe button, but trust me, when the subscribe increases, as those 2 people, 3 people, 10, 15, as it increases, I'm seeing them. And trust me, I am so grateful for all of my subscribers. Here, you take that boost step of subscribing to my channel. Oh my god, thank you for subscribing to my channel. I'm really grateful. Just in case you're seeing me for the first time, Yeri Select, and I make everything about food, lifestyle, how to eat healthy, make food formful. So this year, by God's grace, I'm going to be bringing very nice episodes on the channel. You guys will anticipate, and you don't want to miss out on all of those episodes. I want nothing more to get this channel to, we're almost at 1,000 subscribers, so let's do 1,000, let's do 2,000, 10,000, 20,000, 30, 40, 100,000 subscribers. It's possible with you, and we go by our side. It's possible. Okay guys, so you want to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Make sure to turn on your notification bell so that you'll be able to see my videos whenever I drop a new episode. I love you guys, and this year we're going to be posting a lot on the channel. A lot. I'm going to bring some exciting stuff on the channel for you, so you want to make sure to hit that subscribe button. I love you guys. See me next time. Bye.